Hello friends, in this video we will briefly discuss about the history of Suez Canal development and why it is important. Actually, this Suez Canal is an artificial sea level waterway connecting two larger water bodies, that is Mediterranean Sea in the north and Red Sea in the south. And this is a narrow water bodies connecting two larger water bodies, and same type of water bodies, narrow water bodies, may be called as strait, like Strait of Gibraltar, which is connecting two larger water bodies, Mediterranean Sea in the east and Atlantic Ocean in the west. Let's see the location of this both type of important features of the Suez Canal and Gibraltar Strait. You can see here, this is the location of Mediterranean Sea, and here is it is the Red Sea, and we can see here this is the location of Suez Canal. This is located in Egypt, and we can see another same type of narrow water bodies connecting two larger water bodies. This is the location of Strait of Gibraltar. You can see here Strait of Gibraltar. That means canal and straits are both are narrow water bodies connecting two larger water bodies, but the basic difference is that these canals are created by the human beings, but in the case of straits, these are created by tectonic activity. Let me discuss about the history of this Suez Canal development. Actually, it is believed that the Suez Canal was existed in another form during the time of Senusret III, who was the pharaoh of Egypt from 1878 to 1839 BCE. Pharaoh was the title given to the rulers of ancient Egypt, and during this time the main purpose of this Suez Canal development was to serve its water to the eastern part of the Nile region, Nile Delta region. You can see this was the dry region during this time, and the main purpose of this Suez Canal development was to serve its water to this dry area, this portion. Actually, after this Senusret III, so many rulers, they were trying to improve the condition of this Suez Canal, but the actual credit to form this formal Suez Canal, mainly for maritime purposes, maritime transport purposes between Europe and Asia, it goes to the France when they occupied Egypt in 1799. In fact, Napoleon Bonaparte I, who was the emperor of France, he personally looked the matter whether this canal may be or this canal can be built or not. But due to the inaccuracy of their reports given by their engineer, the plans were dropped. As per their report, the canal can cause the flood. That means ये अगर कैनल बनेगा तो शायद ये ईस्टर्न पोर्शन ऑफ दिस डेल्टा रीजन में, ये वाला पोर्शन में फ्लड आ सकती है, क्योंकि उन लोगों का रिपोर्ट में ये बोला गया था कि द लेवल ऑफ दिस रेड सी वॉज हाई, मतलब इसका जो लेवल वाटर लेवल है वो मेडिटेरेनियन सी से थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही ऊंचाई में था. ये ज़्यादा ऊंचाई में था, इसका मतलब ऑटोमेटिक है कि इसमें अगर कैनल बनाएगा तो ऑटोमेटिक इस एरिया में ये जो ईस्टर्न पोर्शन ऑफ हम लोग डेल्टा रीजन देख पा रहे हैं, नाइल डेल्टा रीजन देख पा रहे हैं, इसमें फ्लड हो सकती है. तो इसीलिए उन लोगों को ये प्लान कैंसिल करना पड़ा. एंड फाइनली ए फ्रेंच डिप्लोमेट एंड इंजीनियर फर्डिनेंड दे लेसेप्स convinced Egyptian viceroy and secured an agreement. And in the year 1858, the Universal Suez Canal Company was tasked to construct and operate the canal for 99 years. And after which the right should be handed over to the Egyptian government. मतलब पहले ये कैनल डेवलप होने के बाद 99 ईयर्स तक ये फ्रांस के पास इसका ओनरशिप रहेगा, उसके बाद ये इजिप्शियन गवर्नमेंट को हैंड ओवर किया जाएगा. एंड इन द ईयर 1859 द कंस्ट्रक्शन बिगन एंड इट टुक अबाउट 10 years टू कंप्लीट दिस टास्क. ये इतना समय क्यों लगा था? बिकॉज ड्यूरिंग दिस टाइम सो मेनी प्रॉब्लम्स दे आर फेसिंग. That means so many challenges like climatic difficulties, epidemics, financial and labor crisis, so many problems they are facing, and this is why it took about 10 years to complete this task. मतलब ये पूरा कैनल बनाने के लिए लगभग 10 साल लग गया था, इसीलिए क्योंकि उस समय बहुत सारा प्रॉब्लम हुआ था, जैसे कि 1865 में इस समय एक बड़ा सा एपिडेमिक्स हुआ था जिसकी वजह से बहुत सारा लोगों का मौत हुआ। इसके लिए फाइनेंशियल प्लस लेबर क्राइसिस भी शुरू हुआ। एंड फाइनली इन द ईयर 1869 द कैनल हैज़ बीन कंस्ट्रक्टेड इन इजिप्ट बिटवीन द पोर्ट सेड in the north and the port Suez in the south. And this canal is about 160 km long and 11 to 24 meter deep, and about 100 ships are traveling through this route daily, and it takes about 10 to 12 hours to cross this canal. Now coming to the main point, why this sea route or why this canal is so much important. Actually, before the development of the Suez Canal, it was very difficult to reach these Southeast Asian countries from these Western European countries through this long route of Cape of Good Hope. We know this one is the Cape of Good Hope, and through this route, it took long time to reach this portion. And after the development of the Suez Canal, it reduces the time through this route. This was the main purpose of this canal development, or you can tell Suez Canal development. And one of the most important thing is that after the development of this Suez Canal, each and every ships are not taking this shortcut route through this Suez Canal, through this way, because the toll fees are very high in this Suez Canal, and this is why so many ships are taking this long route for avoiding this high toll fees when the consequent delay is not matter for them. मतलब जब इन लोगों को लग रहा है कि कुछ दिन लेट होने से भी उन लोगों का ये काम चलेगा, तो ये लोग क्या करते हैं, ये हाई टोल फीस को अवॉइड करने के लिए इस लॉन्ग रूट को ये ले लेते हैं। Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share this video with others. Thank you so much.